So I hope you have enjoyed my course. If you did, don't forget to leave me a rating. It really helps me out a lot. And before we wrap this whole entire class up, I would like to give you a class project. Now, it's really easy to look at all of the lessons and be overwhelmed by them and not actually make anything. And I don't want that for you. I want you to challenge yourself to make at least one or more of these garments. And when you do, make sure you post pictures. I'd love to see pictures of your garments. Make sure to hashtag ICanSewTooChantel so that I can find all of your designs on Instagram. If you're on Instagram, make sure you do @ChantelFashion, and I'll be able to find your garments and be able to like them and comment on them. And then that way we can build a community and we can see everyone's designs. So I'm so excited to see what you make. Let me see your class project. You can put your own spin and make as many pieces, as long or as short as you like. You can change up the colours, and that can completely change the garment altogether. So I can't wait to see what you make and what you're designing, and I hope you really enjoyed working along with me.